Today we are making peanut butter balls. Here's what you're gonna need to make your peanut butter balls. 3/4 cups of peanut butter, 3 cups of icing sugar, 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of crushed peanuts. So our first step is we're gonna add our butter to the bowl of our stand mixer. And you're gonna mix that on high until it's nice and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Next to our bowl, we're gonna add our peanut butter. Mix that on high for another 2 minutes. Hit it, Charlie. Now to your bowl, you're gonna add your salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Slowly add the icing sugar. And you wanna mix that on low until your mixture resembles coarse crumbs. So now is the fun part, Charlie. We get to make the balls. You're gonna take about a tablespoon of the mixture and smoosh it between your hands. And then you're gonna roll it between your 2 hands into a ball. Then you're gonna put your balls on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Once you've rolled out 20 or 30 balls, you're gonna pop this tray into the freezer and let it set up for 1 hour. Well, it's almost been an hour. It's time to melt the chocolate. Now you can do that in the microwave or by setting up a bain-marie.
Who's Marie?
Who's Marie? A bain-marie. It's a way of melting things easily. Charlie, to make a bain-marie, you're gonna take a heavy pot, fill it 1/4 of the way with water, and set it on the stove to simmer. Next, you're going to take a stainless steel bowl and fill it with chocolate. You're gonna stick this bowl on top of the pot that's been simmering on the stove, and that's your friend Marie. Okay, our chocolate has just come off of the stove and we've let it cool down for 5 minutes. Are you ready to get rolling?
Oh yeah.
Take your frozen peanut butter ball, dump it into the chocolate, and give it a nice little spin around so you're coating it in chocolate on all sides. Very carefully lift it out. We like to use a wooden skewer and place it on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment. Don't want to forget to sprinkle each one with peanuts before the chocolate hardens. Once your peanut butter balls have been coated in chocolate, they need to set up in the fridge for a 1/2 hour.
No!
I don't know about you guys, but I sure had a ball. Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake.
You guys are gonna love it.
Here's how you get started. We're going to